The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is more than just a drone. It's a technological marvel that has captured the imagination of drone enthusiasts, professionals, and content creators worldwide. As the successor to the highly acclaimed Mavic 3 Pro, this next-gen drone is poised to redefine the standards of aerial photography and videography. With groundbreaking features and performance enhancements, the Mavic 4 Pro promises to be a game-changer in the drone industry. DJI has consistently led the way in drone innovation, and the Mavic 4 Pro is no exception. From its sleek design to its advanced camera system, this drone is designed for both professionals and enthusiasts. Whether you're capturing cinematic landscapes, creating content for social media, or exploring the skies for fun, the Mavic 4 Pro offers unparalleled capabilities. Wide-angle lens, perfect for capturing sweeping landscapes and dramatic aerial views. Medium telephoto lens, ideal for mid-range shots, adding depth and clarity to your footage. Long telephoto lens, designed for zooming in on distant subjects, ensuring sharp and detailed images. The Mavic 4 Pro's zoom options range from 1x to 7x, offering unmatched flexibility. This capability ensures you can capture fine details from a distance without compromising on quality, making it perfect for wildlife photography, surveillance, or cinematic storytelling. AS platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts dominate the content creation landscape. Vertical video recording has become a must-have feature. The Mavic 4 Pro caters to this need by introducing native vertical video support. This means creators no longer need to crop or rotate footage during editing. The result? A streamlined workflow and high-quality vertical content ready for social media platforms. Battery life is a critical factor for any drone enthusiast. The Mavic 4 Pro's improved battery ensures longer flight times, allowing users to capture more footage on a single charge. This upgrade is particularly beneficial for professional projects and extended shoots. Battery life is a critical factor for any drone enthusiast. The Mavic 4 Pro's improved battery ensures longer flight times, allowing users to capture more footage on a single charge. This upgrade is particularly beneficial for professional projects and extended shoots. Safety is paramount when flying a drone. The Mavic 4 Pro comes equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance technology, ensuring a worry-free flight experience. The sensors detect and avoid obstacles in real time, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned pilots. Active Track 5.0 follow subjects with unparalleled precision. Waypoint 3.0 plan and execute complex flight paths. Master Shots automatically create professional-grade videos with a single tap. The Mavic 4 Pro's image processing technology sets a new benchmark for drones. With improved dynamic range, better low-light performance, and enhanced color accuracy, this drone ensures stunning visuals in every shot. Whether you're shooting sunrise landscapes or nighttime cityscapes, the results are nothing short of spectacular. DJI is known for its intuitive designs, and the Mavic 4 Pro is no exception. The drone's lightweight and foldable design make it easy to transport, while the redesigned controller offers a comfortable and seamless user experience. The interface is straightforward, allowing users of all skill levels to operate the drone with ease. Professional filmmaking. With its high-quality camera system and intelligent flight modes, the Mavic 4 Pro is a valuable tool for filmmakers. Capture cinematic shots that rival those from traditional cameras. Content creation for social media, vertical video recording, and ease of use make this drone perfect for influencers and content creators looking to stand out on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Surveying and inspection. The Mavic 4 Pro's long flight time and zoom capabilities make it ideal for professional surveying and inspection tasks, from construction sites to agricultural fields. While DJI has not officially announced a release date, the steady stream of leaks and rumors suggests an imminent launch. Industry insiders predict that the Mavic 4 Pro will hit the market within the next few months, likely coinciding with a major tech event. The anticipated price range is expected to be competitive, ensuring the drone remains accessible to a broad audience. With its innovative features, the Mavic 4 Pro is set to dominate the drone market upon release. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is more than just a drone. It's a testament to DJI's commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology. From its advanced camera system and vertical video support to its improved flight performance and user-friendly design, This drone offers something for everyone, whether you're a professional filmmaker, a social media influencer, or a hobbyist. The Mavic 4 Pro promises to elevate your aerial photography and videography experience. As we await its official unveiling, the excitement continues to build for what could be the most revolutionary drone of the year. Stay tuned for more updates, and get ready to take your creativity to new heights with the DJI Mavic 4 Pro.